easy open boot. Little click, click. It's held up by a rod. Get the key. Anissa, key. Easy open. Look at that. But the car has to be open first. Shark fin aerial. Rear windscreen wiper. eTSI. New type of badge. Boot is big. Huge boot. Cavernous. Underfloor. This comes with a spare tyre. Quality car. Spare tyre included. Excellent. It's got that ski hatch. If you do skiing or you're going to put a long item inside there. Locking, see that? Rear electric windows. Ooh. Interior lighting, mood lighting. Vents on the inside. Central armrest. 3. Seat position. Huge amount of seat room. Excellent. Rear lighting. We'll go to the front in a minute. Excellent stuff. Okay. This is the halogen lights. Excellent. Vanity mirror lights. Excellent. And they come on and they go off. Nice. It's a luxury car. The vanity mirror lights. They slide on, slide off. All round electric window. And these new buttons are touch. They're touch buttons. This is the automatic gear lever. This is the same one as in the Porsche 911. This is the Braun shaver style gear lever. Exactly the same one. Right, you can put your keys in here, cup holder, charger, everything. And it's got a 10-inch infotainment system which we'll go into. But these buttons are not press buttons. These are touch sensitive buttons. I'll show you to you how they are touch sensitive. I just touched it. Just like an iPhone or anything like that. Touch sensitive. Right. Excellent stuff. Now what we're going to do, we're going to handbrake is up. Right. Always make sure handbrake is up. P. I wasn't even recording that. This is the keyring. Absolutely fabulous. It's touch sensitive. It's not even a push button key. And there's a place for it. We're going to put that key there. Engine touch button. Now I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it onto the main menu. The speedometer, and I'm going to press it on. Right, now put your foot on the brake pedal and let's start the engine. Fantastic. That's it. Now the lights have come on instantly. All these buttons are touch sensitive buttons. So let's just switch off the infotainment system. That's it. Just like that. And the clock's come on. Right, excellent stuff. So the engine is running. I'm going to go outside, and this is the fantastic steering wheel. It's just the right size. Right, again, touch button, cruise control, stability control, voice control, Bluetooth, and this is the new type of glove box. Let's have a look at the glove box. Quite big. Vents, handles. From the passenger perspective, you can charge your. Okay. Now the infotainment system. Can we just put it back on media? Okay. This is a very good button. Put it off quickly. Excellent. And it's got charge in the car without wires, whatever that's called nowadays.